guys, welcome on TechCat, and today our topic is how to change name in Gmail account. To change name in Gmail account, firstly you have to log in on your Gmail account. For that, open the Google and go to gmail.com. Okay. Log in on your Gmail account, then enter the password. And click on next. Okay, you can see on the right hand side here is the option settings. Click on that and go to settings option. Now go to accounts and import option. You can see here is our email address. Now I have to click on edit information. Now I only can change the name of my Gmail account. Like Cat Tech. Now click on Save Changes. Okay. You can see here is my name changed from TechCat to Cat Tech. So friends, it's very easy to change the name in your Gmail account. I hope you learn how to change name in Gmail account. So if you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel TechCat, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the more notifications of the video. Thank you.